Hi there. Welcome to the KnowledgeCity LMS. My name is Tim, and I'm here to show you why KnowledgeCity's learning management system is the best choice for your training and development. The KnowledgeCity LMS is a robust organizational software that allows you to organize your internal training, while keeping it simple to implement and use. Some features include: create your own private, branded training portal with your company logo and colors, so anyone using it will know it's part of your organization. Quickly import users with our mass upload feature. Easily create new courses in just a few steps. Upload the course content in any format: video, audio, ebook, PDF, Word, and more. Easily create quizzes by incorporating images, text, and other display options. Create custom certificates with company branding that is unique to your organization. Develop and manage targeted training paths. Create and manage your instructor-led training programs, including sign-up notifications and manager approvals. Track your training ROI. And generate and download custom reports. KnowledgeCity also offers two great products that will enable you to jumpstart or enhance your training program. Subscribe to the KnowledgeCity Learning Library and download thousands of video topics in business skills, computer software, safety, compliance, and finance courses. KnowledgeCity can also create customized training courses from scratch to fit your organization's needs. We will handle the script writing, storyboarding, production via animation or green screen, and the creation of an engaging assessment test. KnowledgeCity is your true turnkey solution for all of your training and development needs.